Belajar apa tadi sebelum ni? Matematik.
Pendidikan Islam.
Oh, okey. Sebelumnya kita dah buat ini kan? Plan untuk ni Ha. Sekarang ni kita akan buat yang ini. Boleh Semua bersedia dengan
Boleh.
kertas, pemadam, pensel dan sebagainya. Kompas. Okey, macam biasa siapa yang guna kertas graf teruskan, siapa yang guna kertas A4 pun boleh buat, tak ada masalah, teruskan. Kedua-duanya bagi pengalaman yang berbeza. Mungkin kamu nak buat kedua-duanya sekali kertas graf atau kertas A4 biasa ni. Okey, macam biasa semua orang sediakan kertas dulu. Dapatkan dia punya lipat supaya dapat dia punya both exist, y and x and y exist. Okey, accurately. Okay, there it is. With a help of this folding part, we will have a line draw on it as usual. Okay, mark one point up there, mark one point down there. So we have 2 points and connect it with line, straight line. Darken the line. Okay, so that's this side, 1 point up there, 1 point down there. Okay, connect both points. Okay, just like that. And you know what to do already for both axes. No need to wait. We're going to construct a guideline which is 1 centimeter away from the axis. Okay, we do the same to the upper side. Okay, on the right side, this time you will make it quick because you know the skill already. You will getting used to it, and that will make your work even more efficient. When you work efficiently, you will do the work much quicker. Okay, now it is time to connect all the points, the dots, with a light line only, a light line, just like that. Okay. Keep going. Are you done? All of you?
Yes.
Okay, good. Great. Now, um, which quadrant that we're going to set up the reflector 45 degree? Let me see. Is it method number 1 or method number 2? In this case, y is as we seen on this direction. If we seen on this direction, means that we going to z x y. So y going to be in this quadrant number 2. Okay, whatever below the quadrant, whatever that below y that viewing direction, y viewing direction is the reflector. So in this case, because we want to see on the left side, okay, left, we look on the left side here. So the image going to be appeared here, means that the reflector going to be down here. Method number 1.
Kenapa tadi duduk kat atas?
Reflector ke?
Kenapa?
Kenapa
Lepas tu
reflector?
yang asal kat atas lah.
Ya, asal apa?
Asal kat atas, lepas tu bila reflektor dia kena duduk bawah lah.
Cikgu tak faham.
Cikgu tentukan macam mana yang Y tu duduk dekat mana semua tu.
Oh, sorry, cikgu silap. Itulah yang tengah bincang sekarang ni. This is what we discuss. Cikgu silap, sorry, terbalik. If we look on left side here, Y. So this image of this viewing direction, there is Y. Going to be in quadrant number 1 here. So if the Y is up there, the reflector going to be under, just right under the Y direction. You understand me? If this Y is located in this quadrant number 2, so this reflector going to be under, that is here. So the idea is where the reflector should be constructed is depend on where does this Y, either on the left side or the right side here. In this case, if Y is on the left side, so we will have Y viewing direction in this side. If Y viewing direction is in this side, definitely the reflector going to be right under it. Do you understand me?
Yes.
And vice versa, if Y direction is on the right side, means that the Y direction, Y viewing direction is going to be in this side. And this next telling us that the reflector should be under here. Okay? So any idea for you to not get confused later? if look from Y, see, if left, then you will have right. The opposite way. Can you memorize like that? If Y is on the left, in plan, Y going to be on the right. If Y is on the right, the Y on the plan going to be on the left. Okay. A quick idea lah, so you might not get confused later. So in this case, Y is on the left, as we looking from the left. So on the plan, Y viewing direction going to be on the right lah, correct? If Y is on the right, means that the reflector also going to be on the right side. Okay, enough information to set up the reflector 45 degree. Okay, come on. So in this case, Y shall be here and reflector shall be under. Without wasting your time and my time, whosever time it is, let's construct a line which is what? Which is separate two angles equally. Okay, I am done getting a point here. Let's connect both points, starting from the origin. Darken the line since we convinced with it. So now I have mine. Do you have yours, reflector?
Yes.
Very good. Now we can proceed to the next step, which is we're going to what? To mark. We're going to mark each point. We're going to mark each point. So this L. So this L here, point L here, going to be at first line here, at first where the both guidelines meet. So this point here is the point of L. Can you imagine that? Okay. L bring to the B. How long does it take? It takes
2
no, L to B.
C.
L to G is 2 centimeter. Keep that on your mind. And going to add up some more. H to C is 4 centimeter. So the idea is L to B is 6 centimeter. To the left and downward, B to A is 5 centimeter. Wait. Let's do this. We're going to do 2. We're going to mark at point F 2, at point G, 2, 4. Okay. 2, 4. No. How to memorize this quickly? 2, 6 lah, 2, 6. Down here only one dimension, because all follow the length, the equal length. That is B to A is 5 centimeter. So we're going to have 2, 6, 5. Are you ready for that? Then let's move. Okay, remember you are not going to mark it in the middle there, going to mark as usual at both ends, at both end of paper. So let's begin. So here we have 6 centimeter. Remember 2 6. Be careful always to place your ruler equally. Okay, 2 and 6. Okay, I have mine. How about you? Okay, we're going to do the same on the upper side. Place your ruler beautifully equally on both sides to make sure the ruler is, the line is parallel to the end of the paper. Okay, 2 4 2 4 2 6. Okay, 2 6. Now we got downward 5 5 centimeter. So it's also we're going to have 5 centimeter on both left and right side.
Belah mana Pak Cikgu?
Apa dia?
Pusing mana pula?
Pusing lah mana pun tak kisah. Janji bahagia. Okay, 5 cm. Nak buat mana dulu pun tak kisah. Kiri ke dulu, kanan ke dulu, atau kanan dulu, kiri ke dulu. Itu apa bezanya kan? What's the difference? Kamu pergi ke mana? Okay, 5 on the second side. Whatever the side is you begin with, left or right, up or down, doesn't matter, since you're going to get the same result. Okay, I got 5. Now let's put a guideline. Just make a light line. Okay, so I have all of this. Can you see here is 5 centimeter. Okay, and remember we are going to have 2 and 6 centimeter away from the border of line. Okay, here it is, and here it is, guideline for 6 centimeter. Okay, I have mine. Do you have yours? See, so here to here is 2 centimeter, here to here is 4 centimeter. So total here to here is 6 centimeter. Down there is 5 centimeter. Now we have already complete the guideline in this quadrant. Let's do the guideline for this quadrant and followed by this quadrant. Okay, the same idea. So in this quadrant, as we see from Z viewing direction, no, X. Wait a minute. Am I? Oh yeah. As we can see from X viewing direction, front direction here, X. Before is up there, Z viewing direction is up there. Okay, and now is X viewing direction. As we see it from here to this, like I pointing to you, to the object, sorry. So we're going to have this shape. We're going to have this shape. We're going to can be able to see this semicircle here. Okay, and all the dimension. Now let's collect all the dimension that we require to to mark on a paper. We have, okay, this size we have already 6 centimeter, because we project the line from below above. Okay, all that we need is A to D. A to D is 2 centimeter, and F to J, how many? H to J, H to I 4 centimeter, going to add some more, B to C 2 centimeter. You got the idea? So we have two different height, which is 6 centimeter and 2 centimeter. Okay, other than that we don't need. F to E is as A to D, correct? Okay, 2 and 6. So here we're going to construct, also at the end of the paper, 2 centimeter and 6 centimeter. That's the idea. Make sure your eyes looking on the scale is perpendicular, to avoid what? To avoid parallax error. Is it parallax error? So put a mark 2 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Okay, we're going to go to do on the other side. Whatever side that you choose to begin with, it doesn't matter, huh? Okay. Okay, now you know what you need to do. You're going to connect both points with a light line like that. Okay, and so does this 6 centimeter. How beautiful it is. Okay, I have mine. Do you have yours?
Yeah.
Now we have done complete all the guideline we need to in what direction is this? X direction, X viewing direction. Now we're going to have the last one, guideline, before we darken all the border. Yeah, as usual for this purpose, we supposed to transfer all the dimension from this Z viewing direction, and the guideline going to reflected back to up there, going to reflected. Since we only got this one, so our job is easier as we thought. But you know what, because this is represent only one point, this is why when you try to put a ruler, then where is second point, you're going to estimate like that, to the left or to the right, so you won't get a straight line which is parallel to this line, y axis. This is when we have to put a little cheat to somehow we got our way lah. We got our way to the better one. rather than being reflected here. So 5 centimeter. Okay, we're going to set 5 centimeter, mark 5 centimeter up and down at the end of the paper. Okay, so here it is, 5 centimeter. Okay, we're going to do the same on the upper side, 5 centimeter. There. Okay, now you know what you have to do. Connect both lines with a light line, just like that. Okay, if you do it properly, you will see that this line kind of reflected from this line. Okay, they both supposed to meet at one point on this line of reflector. Okay, so there it is, all the guideline that you need to know. Now it is time to darken all the line that that's supposed to be darkened lah. So as you can see up there, looking downward like this, yeah, we can see that it is going to look like just a rectangle box, correct? There's nothing curve that we're going to see. This curve here, actually, if we go look downside like this, we will not see the curve. We will see it as a straight line only. Can you imagine this one? Now, you take this for example. Okay, here we see a circle, correct? Here we see a circle. But if we look downside like this, I'm going to turn this over like this. So you see, you are no longer see the curve. All you see is only a straight line. What if you see on this side, you will see a circle. You understand? So the circle is supposed to be here. Circle back way up there, semicircle. Okay, because we see on this side, so we will not be able to see the circle. All we see is only a straight line. So now we convinced enough to darken the line. Okay, like that. Like that. There it is. Any idea? Any idea pula? Any question?
No.
Do you agree this shape? Do you agree?
Yes.
Okay, got no problem with that. So now we're going to see on X. Let's do on X side, here, from here. So it's going to look like this, D to E, A to D, and we're going to have this semicircle A to F. Okay, this is going to be the triangle. Very easy, yeah. Okay, so here is going where the triangle located. Okay, let's do that, shall we? Let's darken the side that we know already. J to K is here. J to K. Okay. A to D. Okay. D to E. So you see how all these guidelines help us much if we have them at first place. So this is why we need to have a guideline before we have all the plan. Now notice that under here is the curve part. The curve part. There is semicircle. So how do we supposed to draw this? Any idea? The idea is this semicircle, it's coming from full circle, correct? Okay, so the center of the circle going to be somewhere there in the middle of A and F. So the idea is we're going to place the compass here. So this is going to be our compass, and then we're going to rotate with a half of this diameter, which is the radius. From this center to this A is how many? How many does it take?
9 cm.
Since we have this C to H is 4 centimeter, so the idea is the diameter is 4 centimeter. We divide by 2 to get the radius. So that's the idea. That is the idea. So we're going to separate this to two equal parts. In order to do that, we need to put we need to mark 2 centimeter in the middle. Okay, here it is. I got mine, 2 centimeter. Okay, can you see the point? Now it is time to place. Okay, like that. You're going to adjust the compass, okay, until the point of the pencil meet at the end of the side, at the end of the vertex, and before you darken let's just turn it to all the other sides, to see that it fit well among all of them. If it is not, then you going to have to adjust it for a better semicircle. Okay, I think mine is excellent. So this is when you take your run it somehow. This is when you take your chance to darken the semicircle like that. Uish, lari pula. Macam mana boleh lari ni? Lari sebab apa? Sebab mengapa lari? Sebab skru tak ketat. Itu pasal lah. Beli model bagus sikit. Okey lah, boleh lah. Boleh terima lah. Okey, lupa nak buat dia punya ni base. Okay, done on this side. Sorry, hak ni mana ada tau. Silap. Ni tak ada lohong kosong, tak ada tapak. Silap lah. The base only until this base of the triangle. Okay, never mind, have. Can repair it anytime. Okay, done. Okay, let's finish our plan. On this side is Y side. Okay, Y side, as we look from this Y side, the idea is we are not, there is no hidden border. Okay, no hidden border because we see on this side. If we see on this side, right side here, so DHE going to be hidden, correct? And when it is hidden, this is why when we need to use dotted line. So in this case, it is not hidden because we see on this side. Okay, we can see clearly the border of HE. So let's do that. Okay, we're going to darken the line which we convinced already. Okay. So there it is. Okay, a complete set for plan. Are you done?
Yes.
Okay, good. Now, what we are supposed to do? You fill the point, the label. You fill the label on each vertex. Okay, you do that yourself lah. Okay, moving with a new subtopic. How do you synthesize plan and elevations of an object and sketch the object? Oh, this time we need to do the opposite way. They're going to give us a plan, and we need to construct the object back. We need construct the object. Do you understand? So we'll see what we can do about it. Let's have something to draw out of a plan. Okay. So we have example 10 here. They give us this plan. Let's draw the object back, and we'll see how will it look like, huh? Okay. So how do we going to start? How are we going to start the object? Okay, we got all the dimension. We have got all the measurement, huh? The height, the width, the depth, and also the angle. Now how do we supposed to do this? Now the idea is we're going to construct this first. Okay, we're going to construct the in front view first, or X view. We're going to construct X view, just like this, and then we are going to project a line to construct a guideline which is 60 degree, the angle. This object contains an angle of 60 degree on a triangular surface. Thus, the angle of 60 degree must be built with the correct method. Okay, if you understand the projection line here, it is 60 degree. So here is 60 degree, correct? Here is also 60 degree. But this line, how many degree it is? This line. This line, how many degree it is? And so does this line. How many degree it is? It can be 60 degree. It can be 55 degree. It can be 30 degree. It doesn't matter. But it seems like, wait, let me measure this. They do not fix the how many degree that you're going to do the guideline. In this case, so you see, in this case, now I want you to see this line here, AB, A to D. How many angles A to D constructed from this AB? How many angle? So if we measure this, so we're going to see on this side is 60 degree. So A to D is 60 degree coming from the base of AB. It open wide to 60 degree. So the idea, we're going to have all the orthogonal projection coming from this front side here also follow the same. If we choose 60 degree, then we going to have all the vertex coming out 60 degree. Okay, you got the idea? Never mind, soon you'll know. So the same, in order to do that, you're going to need a piece of paper, A4 paper, A3 paper, A5 paper also can, doesn't matter, graph paper. This time even graph paper won't help much, because you need to construct you need to determine the angle on a graph paper, correct? Graph paper only can give you the width and the length, the height, but cannot give you the angle, the angle. Only 45 degree it can, but higher than that, different than that, it cannot.
Lepas tu nak kena guna kertas apa cik?
Guna the same, doesn't matter. Paper, graph paper also can, plain paper also can, doesn't matter. All that matter is what? Is the scale. The scale. No, I am wrong. I am wrong. Something. This paper this time we do not fold it to two same parts. We do not fold it. But we're going to have going to have some border coming out from the below side and the left side. So here is below side of paper, here is the left side of paper. We're going to have some border. Let's say about this size of the ruler here. So you're going to place your ruler, okay, until both ruler and both paper meet like that, in a straight line. Okay. Okay, place it equally on both sides, and this is when the ruler is parallel to the end of the paper. You're going to put a light line there, just a light line like that. Okay. Okay, you want to do the same on the left side of paper like this.
Kalau dot tak boleh cikgu.
Tak boleh, berdosa.
Tapi kan graph paper dia ada garis-garis tu.
Itulah satu disadvantage pada graph paper pula. Mereka sudah pun darken all the guideline. Jadi objek akan terbentuk dengan tidak ketat, tidak dengan terganggu oleh line yang sudah pun. Maybe you should go with plain paper only. I don't know, kid. It is up to your choice. Okay, but the idea is all you need to have is a skill, the correct skill to construct all this. Okay, so I have mine, which is the border is here. Oh wait a minute. Wait a minute. Something wrong. There is something wrong. So you see here in this object, this is front side, correct? And this is on the back side. So the idea is this object inclined to the left. Okay, inclined to the left. If we start A from this border, from this point here, then we will have to project to the left side here to get D. And guess what? It is afraid that we have to incline to have this incline here 60 degree. It is afraid that it going to be out of the paper. So the idea is we're going to construct almost in a middle, almost in a middle. Okay, we need to bring it more to the middle of the paper, so we will have enough space to do the all the projection. You understand me? So this is when we need to add some more. Okay, we're going to add some more. You need to bring this line here to more to the right side. Well, I got another idea. How about we use this compass to try to take the measurement up and down. Okay, you're going to place the needle at the vertex of the paper, and you're going to mark it somewhere. Okay, somewhere on the right. Okay, about this size, let's say. Now you have this point here. Okay, make sure this doesn't change the length, and you're going to take the measure on the upper side too. Start from this, place this needle on the vertex of the paper. Then you're going to set a mark. Okay, set a mark. So the idea is both point here and under is which when you construct a line, the line will be parallel to this end of a paper. That's quite a good idea. Quite a good idea to have a straight line which is parallel to the paper. Okay, now I have mine. Do you have yours? Okay, so this line here we can erase from our world. Okay, eliminate this line. Okay, everybody. So everything will begin at this point. Every drawing will begin at this point where the both guideline meets. Okay, now back to the shape. So first we are going to draw this. Remember, we are going every time we are going to draw the front view, the front view or the X view. Because why? Because this view got no problem at all. Why? Because the front view here is always the plane always facing toward us. If you understand the idea, so you see this. See, this view here is always in a straight line, right? The plane here is always facing us. Okay, and so does this. Okay, the plane here is always facing us, and so does this. See, they are straight line only. Okay, and so the other object lah, all of them is the x view here is straight line only, yeah. So the idea is we're going to construct the front view before we construct the other parts, which is got a angle, got angle for that. So you understand me? Are you still with me? It's like I'm talking
Yes,
all alone. So
I'm here.
okay, so let's have this all this what all the measurement transfer to the paper. So A to F is 1 centimeter. Okay, the height of this base AB until J here, the height is how many? How many?
6.
Hah? 6. Inilah, kamu dapat mana 6 ni? Okay. Here is 1 centimeter, correct? Here is 1 centimeter. Okay, 1 centimeter. From this point to this point, how many centimeter? Is it 3.5? I think it is 3.5. Huh? So here to here is 3.5. Okay. A to B is how much? How many? A to B is from this point to this point, correct? Which is 2 plus 4. Okay. Take this moment to detect all the measurement from point to point. Do you understand me? 1 centimeter height, 1 centimeter and 6 centimeter to the right, and going to add some more 3.5. Okay, let's begin. Okay, 6 centimeter, 2 and 6 centimeter to the right. We're going to do the same on the end of a paper to get us both points, and at last we'll have the straight line. Okay, 2 and 4 centimeter. Okay, up there also 2 and 4. Now we have the line, we have the points, we connect all of them with a light line like that, and so does this side. Okay, I have mine. Do you have yours? 1 centimeter, 3.5. Okay, start from this border here until up there. We need 1 centimeter and 3.5. Okay, let's have that. Also the same, we're going to mark at the end of the paper 1 centimeter and 3.5. One, two, three, 4, 3.5 should be here. Okay, now we're going to do the same on the other side. Okay. Okay. Here it is. I wonder if we connect this point here, 2 points here, will we get the angle 60 degree? Let's just do that first, huh? Okay, is this angle here is 60 degree? Okay, it is 60 degree, yeah. So it is we get this automatically if the length and the width is correct, accurate enough, we'll get 60 degree, yeah. So now we know we got the guideline for front viewing direction. Because we convinced enough with this, then why not we construct the what we darken all the side, darken all the side. Okay. Okay, here it is. Now, look at this point here. Start from this point, we're going to construct a guideline which is 60 degree. Okay, how do we going to do that? Do you remember how do we? Is it you're going to place this protector here to get 60 degree? But you know what, I really suggest you to not use this. 60 degree you can construct it by using a compass. You remember the process? So you see this point here, we got two lines coming from the point here, okay, up and horizontal here. Do you still remember how do we construct 60 degree from this point, from this line here? Okay,
Yes.
so you're going to, okay, you're going to this, as you learn from what, from at form 1, form 1, very simple. So you're going to have this, mark this, okay, you're going to mark this, and then here come, sorry, again you're going to not mark here, you're going to mark it up there somewhere. Allah Akbar. Okay, and then you're going to change the position without change the length of the compass. Again you're going to mark it, so both curve meet at some point. Okay, believe it or not, if you construct a line coming from this point to this this center here, and guess what, you will have 60 degree. Yes, so you see this angle here, it is 60 degree. Believe it or not, don't believe it, you can measure it. Okay, right, 60 degree, very accurate. So I really suggest you to just use this to make sure the line, that the angle that we construct is correct. Okay, we are not making the angle out of this compass. This just to for us to ensure that our method is correct to get any angle. Okay, semua orang?
Okay.
Okay, now come another problem. Will you be able to construct all the guideline on each vertex such as this line 60 degree? You know what, you can do the same, but each point here must have the straight line, horizontal straight line like this, correct? Before you're able to construct the 60 degree lah. But it will take much time, it will take much time. So the idea is to use, do we have another way to transfer the angle? To transfer the angle that we just earned from first doing. Okay, this is when this coming along. This is when we need this going to play along. Okay, in order to transfer the angle. Okay, let me demonstrate this to you. Okay, so you need to have this skill, to put side to side, to put side to side, this like this, and okay, so you see this line here is 60 degree, so you're going to put place this both meet at the end of their side. Okay, okay, and then the idea is you're going to drag it, you're going to place it somewhere as and fix the position, do not move it, and the other one you're going to slide it like this. Why we doing this? Because we want to preserve the angle here. Can you see? It doesn't matter where I move this, where I slide this tool here, this ruler here, the position of line will change, but the only thing that didn't change is, what is it? The angle. The angle of the line. You understand me? This is the good method to transfer the line which has some angle, so it will make your work quick and easier and quick. Okay, let me show to you. All of you, do you have this two ruler here, two triangle ruler here?
Ada.
Okay, bagus. Apa lagi? Jalan. Buat. Okay. Okay, jadi pastikan the end of this ruler is really parallel to the what? Parallel to the line that we just acquired, which we come to know it is 60 degree. Okay, like that. Okay, now draw a, okay, bring the ruler to each point, each vertex, so you will have to, you can be able to draw the guideline. Okay, okay, on this side too. Okay, there it is. So you see, we have so many lines, which is 60 degree from the base. How does this method really help much in drawing? Okay, now moving along. Okay, how many does this front here bring to back? Okay, it is 4.4 centimeter. 4.4 centimeter. So the idea we're going to mark 4.4 centimeter on each guide 60 degree guideline that we have. 4.4. Okay, you use this compass, you will have the measure of 4.4. Okay, okay, 4.4. You measure the compass on 4.4. Scale on the ruler like this, 4.4. Okay, be very precise, accurate. Okay, I got mine. Now we're going to transfer this 4.4 on each. I'm going to mark 4.4 like this. Okay, put a mark. So the length is 4.4, and so does this side here. We're going to do the same on each side, each vertex. Okay, mark 4.4. Okay, other than that, nothing. Okay, other than that, okay, we have enough mark. Now we going to darken. We're going to darken all the what? Okay, we're going to connect all the vertices, all the vertex. Okay, all the vertex. We darken it. Okay, keep moving. Okay, can you see almost the object there? But guess what? This line here we cannot darken it. Why? Why we cannot darken this line? This side, this line here, because it is hidden. Correct? It is hidden by this plane here. So this is why we cannot darken the line. But all we can do is we can put dotted line. We can construct dotted line. Okay, everyone, we're going to do that later. Now on this side too, we can close the object by also dark line here. Okay, at this point to this point can close like that, and this point to this point. Okay. Other than that, okay, there is a hidden dotted. There is a hidden parts on the back side that we cannot see, but we know it is there. So the idea is we're going to construct the hidden parts with dotted line. Dotted line. Okay, let's begin. Okay, here also we can see it. Okay, here to this side we cannot see it. It is hidden on the back, so not a problem. We're going to construct dotted line. Okay. Oh, sorry. It's supposed to be there only. Where is it? I lost my track. 4.4. Okay. Ta-da! Can you see it now, the object? Do you have just like mine?
Yes.
Okay, not a problem. This is how we do the opposite way. Given to us a plan, can we back uh, construct the object? Masa dah habis ke? Okay. Okay, until this moment, we shall meet again. Betul ke dah habis ni? 10. Tadi start berapa? 9, 10, 10.
Sejam setengah.
Okay, habis dah kan? Okay, then jumpa lagi. Assalamualaikum.
Thank you, cikgu.
Ya,
Cikgu. Thank you, cikgu.
ya.